Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning, students. I hope you all are in good health. Welcome back to English grammar class. And today we would be continuing with the chapter Articles from the Grammar Gate textbook. So let's just revise the topics quickly which we have learned in the previous video. So let's see what we have learned in the previous video. The words a, an and the are called articles. We learned that there are three articles a, an and the. We normally put the articles before a noun and articles are used before a noun. Articles are of two types, indefinite articles and definite articles. The indefinite articles a and an are used before singular countable nouns. So we have learnt that indefinite articles a and an are only used for singular countable nouns. They are called indefinite articles because they don't tell definitely or specifically about the person or the thing spoken of. It means that the articles a and an are called indefinite because they give only general information. They don't give any specific or definite information about the person or the thing spoken of. For example, a boy or an egg. Over here we have used a and an along with the boy and egg because we don't have any specific information about the boy or the egg. It can be any boy, it can be any egg. We use a with the words that have consonant sound in the beginning. So we have to use the article a along with the nouns which begins with the consonant sound. It may happen sometime that the noun or the word starts with a vowel but it has a consonant sound. For example, university. Over here, the first letter is U, but we have to use A because the sound is that of consonant and not of vowel. We use N with the words that have vowel sound in the beginning. It means that we have to use the article N with the words that have the vowel sound in the beginning. If in case the word begins with a consonant but the sound is that of vowel, then we have to use N. For example, honest man. Over here the first letter is H but still the sound is that of O and so we have to use N. Now let's just check the exercise which I gave you in the previous video. Fill in the blanks with indefinite articles a or an. Here I have given the answers along with the questions. Let's just check it once. First one, I ate an apple. So here we have used article an because the word apple starts with the vowel sound a. I want to eat a mango. Here we are going to use article a because the word mango starts with a consonant sound. Copper is a useful metal. Over here the word useful, although it starts with the vowel u, but the sound is that of consonant, that is y. Sachin is an honorable man. Here the word honorable starts with the consonant but has the sound of vowel, that is o. Last one, Rosie has an umbrella. Over here we have used article an along with the word umbrella because it has the sound of vowel. I hope you are clear with the indefinite articles a and an. So today we would be moving ahead with the definite article the. So let's see what are definite article. The is called definite article because it tells definitely about the person or the thing spoken of. So we are going to use the along with the nouns about whom we have specific information. It gives definite and specific knowledge about the person or thing we are speaking. It gives the specific information about the noun we are talking about. So it gives specific knowledge or specific information about the nouns we are talking. When we are referring to a person or thing for the second time, we use the. For example, Sana found a letter. The letter was addressed to Mr. Ashok. In this sentence, the first sentence, Sana found a letter. Here we have used the article a along with the noun letter because we don't have any specific information about that letter. It could be any letter. But when we are referring to the same letter for the second time, then we know that we are talking about that specific letter. And so, when we are referring to the same noun or same person or thing for the second time, we have to use the article the. And that's the reason that in this second sentence we have used the along with the noun letter because we are referring to it for the second time. The letter was addressed to Mr. Ashok. So now let's see some uses of definite article the. The first rule for the definite article the is that we use the when we talk about a particular person or thing or the one already referred to. So I just discussed previously that we have to use the when we are talking about a particular person or the thing which we have already referred to and we are referring to it for the second time. Let's see one example. I saw a beautiful flower in the garden. The flower smelled good. Over here in the first sentence, I saw a beautiful flower in the garden. Over here, we have used a with the noun flower. But in the second sentence, we have used the along with the same noun flower because it is referred to for second time and this time we are specific about which flower we are talking. So whenever we are specific or when we are talking about a specific or particular person or thing, we have to use the. Now let's see rule number 2. We use the when a singular noun is meant to represent the whole class. Over here we have to use the when a singular person or singular thing is referring to the whole class. For example, over here there is an image of cow. Dash cow is a useful animal. Here, the singular noun cow refers to all the cows because not only this cow, all the cows are useful. And so, along with this noun, we have to use the article the. Let's see one more example. Over here, we can see the image of a rose. Dash rose is a beautiful flower. Here also, one singular rose is representing all the roses. And so, we have to use the over here also as an article along with the noun rose. The rose is a beautiful flower. Let's move on to the third rule. We use the before the names of things that are unique. So we have to use the article the when we are talking about the things that are one of their kind. That means they are only one in the whole universe. For example, the sun rises in the east. Over here, we have used the article the along with the noun sun because it is only one. Let's see one more example. Here you can see the image of the earth. The earth revolves around the sun. You can see that we have used the article the along with the earth and the sun because they both are unique. Let's see the last example. The moon shines in the sky at night. So here we have used the article the along with the noun moon and sky because they are also unique. Unique means different from everything else. So whenever we are using the article along with the things that are unique, we have to use the article the. Let's see the next rule. We use the before the superlatives and with ordinals. Superlatives means the degree of comparison which we use to compare more than two things. And ordinals means the position, first, second, third, fourth, and so on. So let's see the examples for understanding. Over here you can see the image of a textbook. This is dash best book on English grammar. So over here we are comparing this book along with the rest of the books, and this is the best one. That is the only one which is best. And so along with the superlative degree we would be using the article the. Let's see one more example. He is dash tallest man in dash world. Here you can see that this man is tallest one. That means he is the only one who is tallest than anyone else. And so it is a superlative degree, and so we would be using the article the along with it, and world, that is one of the kind. That word or that thing is unique, and so here also we would be using the article the. Here you can see the image of solar system, and in this solar system Jupiter is dash fifth planet in the solar system. So which planet is Jupiter, or what is the position of the Jupiter? It is on the position of fifth planet, and so you can see that fifth represents the ordinal, and so along with the ordinals we would be using the article the. So Jupiter is the fifth planet in the solar system. I hope you are clear with this rule. Let's move on to the next rule. Rule number 5. We use the with the names of rivers, seas and oceans. So students, we have to use the when we are referring to the names of rivers, seas and oceans. Let's see the example. Over here you can see the image of Pacific Ocean. Dash Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean in the world. So here the Pacific Ocean is the name of an ocean, and so along with it we are going to use the article the. Let's see one more example. Mumbai is situated on the shores of dash Arabian Sea. Over here we are specific about which sea we are talking, and it is also the name of the sea, and so we are going to use the article the along with the name Arabian Sea. This is an image of Nile River. So dash Nile is a long river. Over here Nile is the name of river, and so we are going to use the article the along with it. So students, I hope that you are clear with all these rules. I will make you understand the rest of the rules in next video. Till then students, take care and see you soon.